So X-Force is a program through the National Security Innovation Network, which partners with Department of Defense partners to be able to take students from all over and place us with those DoD partners and work on real-world problems. So giving them the chance to bring in some new, younger perspective while giving us the chance to get some experience in real jobs.
Yeah, so I was looking for an internship and I found out about this X-Force program, and I found out that I have a chance to serve my country, and along the line with my major, I can apply what I learned. Hopefully my work can contribute to our security in some way.
I think the biggest thing that I'm most excited about to get out of this program is really just enjoying the process of learning about it. And as I've started working with X-Force, with network graphs, and being able to model relationships, I realized that it has applications in every single field. So it's really just been interesting to learn about it and be able to take it forward and think about how it can apply to different fields.
I would say the thing I'm most excited about is just the real-world impact that this is going to have. That's something that draws me to working with the DoD, working with the NGA, is knowing that the work that I have is going to affect somebody in a positive way. It's so exciting to me that I'm getting that opportunity.
I've always kind of been really intrigued by the idea of giving back to your country, because it seems like everyone has a completely different background, comes from completely different environments, but they all have that shared purpose of serving their country in a way, and I never really knew what that exactly meant because it was so diverse, and kind of just wanted to try it and see what it meant.